Scania's Crew Cab, which is widely considered to be the best in the industry, has become even better. The new climate system is state-of-the-art, divided into two separate systems for the driver and the crew areas. The improved visibility also increases safety. Scania's recent introduction of rollover side curtain airbags has been taken into the Crew Cab. Besides the two front airbags, customers also have the option to add up to 4 rollover side curtain airbags. The City Safe-window in the passenger door is a refined feature that adds safety for the driver and all those around. This, combined with other features, takes the greatest crew cab in the industry to a new level in keeping crew members well protected.